Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great too. Thank you.
My name is Christina. What's your name?
My name is Anshul.
Anshul. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you. Same here.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Okay. Very
And you?
cool. I am from the United States and I live in Georgia.
Georgia. Okay.
Yes.
The pronunciation is Georgia, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Earlier, I was pronouncing it as Georgia,
Georgia.
but
That's
it's not.
okay. I had a young student that pronounced it just way crazy today. Way
Are
crazy. She
they, are they from United States?
Georgia is how she said it.
Great.
She was 6 though, so she did good.
Okay, 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 okay. Is she from United States?
No, she was from Taiwan.
Taiwan. Okay, okay. Every country has little difference of the pronunciation because of their native language.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Yeah, very very.
are you born in Georgia?
I'm sorry?
Are you born in Georgia or born somewhere else and living in here?
Yes, I was born in Georgia.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So, tell me something about your state, the places we can travel to, and what is nice about Georgia, and a little bit about the history of Georgia, how it joined United States of America. If you know,
Uh
you can tell me.
okay. Yeah,
That
I'll tell
would
you
be
as much as I do
a
know.
interesting topic.
Okay, so Georgia is known as the Peach State. Um,
Okay,
So peaches grow really like a lot here in backyards and trees and everything. So it's very well known as the peach state. On our driver's license, like on the driver's license and the driver's tag plate, it also says the peach state. So it's
okay,
like a very well known thing throughout the United States.
okay, okay. Got it, got
Um,
it.
if you're familiar with if you're not familiar with Georgia, you might be more familiar with Atlanta.
I have heard the name of Georgia
Hmm.
in some
Okay.
movies and some TV shows, American TV shows.
Yeah, there are a lot of Netflix series that are being filmed here in Atlanta nowadays too. So
Okay,
it's
okay,
it's uh it's kind of the smaller Hollywood of the
okay,
United States.
okay. Really,
Hmm.
that's fascinating. That I did not know earlier.
Have you seen or heard of The Walking Dead, the series?
No, not this one, but these days I've been watching this Supernatural.
Oh, I love Supernatural. We watch that all the time.
Whenever I get free time, I watch one episode, and when I watch one episode, I do not leave. I do not leave this until I watch 5 or 6 episodes at one go.
Yeah, yeah. My husband and I are the same way. We can't get up. Like it has us stuck, and we've seen them all. Like I've seen all the seasons. I've seen them once through. My husband has seen them twice, and we are still watching them more.
That's really great. And
Yeah.
can you tell me that is this show still popular in the United States?
Um,
It's older one, I think.
I think it's becoming more popular culturally again because a lot of like more spiritual changes in the United States with a lot of people's different beliefs and cultures. So, yeah, like more of the unknown, like not darker, but unknown types of fantasies and things like that are becoming less taboo to talk about and like watch.
Okay, okay. That means it is popular.
Hmm.
Yeah, I have
It's
found
pretty
one main thing in this series, that the vocabulary that is used in this series is so different. Is it
yes.
true?
Yes, very,
If
very different.
when I watch this Two and a Half Men series, the vocabulary is common. We have heard about those vocabulary easily in our textbook, wherever we learn from as a non-native. We are aware about that vocabulary, but when we go to this supernatural, in one episode, I find 10 to 20 new words every time,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
this full of idioms as well. Every
Hmm.
episode is having one or two or three idioms, and for learning English, I find it very good.
Yeah, definitely. It definitely expands your vocabulary and learning.
So tell me more about your states. If I want to visit Georgia, if I want to visit United States, and should I come to Georgia or not? Should I choose Georgia over New York or New Jersey or California or not?
Okay, so Georgia is really hot and sticky. So it's
Okay.
very, very um what's the word? It's very humid here. Very, very humid. You go outside, you're gonna start sweating within a few minutes.
Okay, really great, great. So what's the temperature over there? Like 50, 60, 40?
It's 76 degrees right now,
Oh,
Fahrenheit.
man,
Um,
I
so this
can't
is
feel it.
actually, yeah, this is a cool day in the summer. So we have reached 98 degrees already this summer. Um, yeah, so,
You know, it is way more than UAE, Dubai.
um, well, I mean, we're in Fahrenheit. So I don't,
Okay, okay, okay. You are
yeah, yeah,
telling
yeah.
me Fahrenheit. Okay, okay. I
Yeah.
was thinking it in
So
Celsius.
no, so in Celsius right now, it is 24.4 degrees.
24. And what's the highest?
Uh, and I'll tell you, yeah, the highest we had this year was 36.6.
It is less than India.
It's it's hot
For
though.
you, for you, it's not, but it's less than India.
Yeah.
Winter season, when winters are about to finish off, and this summer is coming in the month of February, then we have around 20 to 24 temperature, 15 to 25. But in May or June, we have around 40-degree, 45-degree, somewhere, and
Okay.
some states are way more hotter than this.
Oh wow. Yeah, here we get all the weather. So like we get cold, we get hot, we get middle with the autumn, fall, and then we have spring. But in spring like transition to winter and summer, we can go from like 55 degrees in one day, or I'd say like 45 degrees in one day to like 70 by the end of the day.
Okay, so much
Yeah, there's like,
variation, so much
yeah,
variation.
so I have to wear long sleeve shirts during the summer because it's a little bit cooler in the morning, and then I wear like a shirt underneath, and then I change clothes during the day to fit the weather.
So great, 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 great. The same climate, we can say that climate is similar to India.
Yeah,
Have you
I would
ever
say
been, have you been to India?
I haven't, no.
Anywhere in Asian countries?
I've never left the United States.
Okay, and I have never left India.
Ah, so you understand my sadness.
I can. We both are in same boat.
Yeah, definitely. And now that coronavirus is a thing, I don't know if I'm ever going to get to leave.
People are moving. I have seen a lot of people have started moving, even cross borders. a few people from Canada coming to United States, few people from United States going to Canada, United Kingdom, India as well.
Yeah,
International
it's
flights.
getting, people are just wanting to leave. It's not what it used to be anymore. It's not like free. We don't feel like we're living in a free country anymore. You tell us we have to have a card to enter a store.
Right,
That's
right,
not
right.
free.
Yeah,
That's not free.
you can say that. You can say that. You can say that.
I luckily work at online and I work at home, so I'll be honest, coronavirus really hasn't changed my life, like personally, because I work at home and I only go out like, I don't know, 3 times a month anyway, as it is.
So
So,
how many hours do you spend a day on this app, Cambly?
well, I have 5 jobs. So
Five different
Cambly,
jobs. Five
yeah.
different jobs. Oh, great.
Mhm. Yes,
What are
because
those?
I refuse to work in corporate America.
And why that so?
Because it like it's just very standard, very scheduled. You have to do the same thing every single day, same, and I don't like that. I like to vary my topics and my interest, and I feel like we develop as humans the more knowledge we have in all areas of life.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it. So what are your five jobs? Could you please
So,
elaborate?
yes, I am an ESL teacher or tutor, whatever you want to call me. Um, I am a model, a photographer, and I also work for a direct sales company.
Okay. And what do you sell in that? You do some sort of marketing over there?
Yeah,
Okay.
these nails.
Beauty products. Beauty. So
Pretty
you're
nails.
fond of, yeah, you're fond of it.
And then I'm also writing a book.
Okay. And on which topic?
It is a self-help slash spiritual autobiography.
And from where are you getting help for this? From your mind, your
Yeah.
thoughts are coming in the book, or you're getting some sort of help from other books?
So I got the I've had just a very crazy life. I'm just not a it just not a typical life that a lot of people would think out of mine. So yeah, most everything is coming from my mind, life experience. I've like I've went through a lot of trauma. So a lot of it is self-development through I read a lot of self-development books as well. When I was younger, I wanted to be a psychologist and I've always loved writing and English. So everything was just kind of, I don't know, fell into my lap like that.
Got it, got it. So what does your husband do?
My husband, he worked not a great, it's not a fun job, but he works at a vitamin warehouse that his family owns. Um, I don't know what he does. His job changes like once a month because his dad owns the company, so they move him around wherever they need him.
That means he doesn't have a job, he has a business.
Yes, basically.
You got a man with business portfolio. Your husband is a business tycoon.
Yeah, he works at a warehouse, so he does most of the labor work. So
Okay,
it's a vitamin warehouse, so they bottle the warehouses or bottle the vitamins, label them, count them, ship them out, all that stuff.
okay, okay. So I
Something in
think
there he does.
only 28, 20 seconds are remaining. So it was nice talking to you, and I hope to catch you again.
It was nice talking to you too. I hope you have a great night.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.